Just picked up this 2000 Civic Si. We're gonna give her a wash, it's a little bit dirty, and then we're gonna go over all the issues with the car. Alright, so this is the first major issue with the Civic. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Is that grinding? Alright, so the two major problems for this car so far are the clutch and we have a check engine light, so I'm just gonna go ahead and scan it right now. So I got this cheap little Canadian Tire scanner. Overall, it's not in bad condition, but it does need a little bit of work. First thing you'll notice here, the wiper arms need to be painted. It's missing the washer nozzle, so I gotta redo the whole washer piping and get two new nozzles. This hood looked like it had somebody rubbed Scotch-Brite on it, so it's a little bit faded. We tried to polish it, if you look here in the middle, but it doesn't really polish out. So we're probably gonna just sand down this whole car and paint it. Go around. These lights are not too bad. I might either change them for the black housing headlights, or I might just open these up and paint the inside of these. And then we gotta fix the bumper sag here in the front and the rear bumper as well. Came with this nice grille. See here, another bumper gap. We're gonna get some new wheels and new brakes. We're gonna do a disc brake conversion in the rear. Get rid of these old drums. And if you look here, a little bit of dings and stuff. It's a 20-year-old car, so it's to be expected. We're gonna try to get some new taillights as well. All the paint is peeling up here. And see, the rear bumper needs to be lined up again. Same thing on this side here. Some scratches. And then we need the passenger side door handle. We're gonna go ahead and paint this trim piece here too. Same thing on the other side. Pretty much we're just gonna give this car a second life. Interior is not too bad either. Need a speaker grill. I'm probably gonna get a new door panel. This one's a little bit beat up. I'm gonna get rid of that radio, get a new one. Definitely changing the shifter boot. And then I gotta do the bushings for the shifter as well. And those are the tires that we got. Oh, hold on. Free winter tires to the car. Free washer fluid, always a bonus. And then we got this amp. So I'm gonna go ahead and gut all the wiring for that because definitely not gonna use an amp on this car. So that's about it. And oh, jeez. That's about it. So we'll go under the hood. All right. So for under the hood, we're gonna start off with an oil change. I gotta do the valve cover gasket, spark plugs. I'm gonna either do a polished valve cover or paint it. We have to get a new intake. I'm gonna relocate the battery, clean that battery up too. As you can see, the terminal's kind of corroded. We're gonna do a brake disc conversion in the back, and I gotta bleed the brake fluid. It's like super murky. It's all green. And then we went ahead, we did the clutch job, so The clutch fluid's nice and clean, but the input shaft bearing was making noise, so we had to go ahead and change that out. And then we're gonna get rid of cruise control, power steering, and the AC.